So, hey guys, good evening, everyone. So, hope you are able to see me. Just type in the chat box. You're able to see me and you're able to hear me and all. Great, great. Fine. Which one looks better? I'm just using Zoom. I think this looks good. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, good evening and all. Let's begin the session. So, I know a lot of you have come with some expectation here, like this is a demo session and all. So yes, this is a demo session for sure. But before going to any demo, I would like to interact with you guys. Like, what's your expectations and all those stuff? Okay, why you came here and all. Okay, so let's begin. Anyone have any questions to begin? Guys, anyone have any questions before we get started? No, fine. I'll just try to share my screen. Okay, so let's begin then. Demo session. I just named it as demo session, but it's mostly an orientation session, guys. Okay, like what I am trying to do with the trainings and what type of services we are providing. And apart from that, some new initiatives we have started it as part of our trainings and other stuff. Okay, so fine. So I just want to interact with you all while I'm going through this session, and I just want to know how many people are like new to Selenium automation here. Just type me in the chat box if you are kind of new to Selenium automation, or you have basic knowledge but you don't have that much confidence. Still, you can type me. Okay, just want to see how many people are interacting here. So I can see there are 30 people around, near to 30 people joined, and I can see a lot of people. Yeah, basic knowledge. That's fine. You can either say basic knowledge or kind of new, whatever the keyword. And you can even type, okay, I'm good with Selenium. Good also you can type. That's okay. If anyone is already good with Selenium automation, you can even type that also. Good, good, new, basic. Any of these three words you can type, guys. Okay, I want everyone to participate. I can see 30 people. So I want everyone to participate. Let's make this interactive, okay? So some people are saying good. Yeah, okay, good, new, good with programming. Gaurav is saying good with programming. Great. Okay, so good. A lot of different, we are getting some different inputs. Some are saying little bit good, just to get some more different knowledge. That's fine, okay? Basic knowledge, no, little bit Selenium. Fine, great. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Okay. So guys, so I will divide this into two parts, guys. Okay. There are two initiatives that are going. Okay. One is weekday initiative. Weekday initiative. These are like beyond trainings, guys. Whatever we are doing is beyond trainings. We are not just like other training company and all. Okay. So weekday initiative. I'll just call that as initiative rather than the general term. You can also, you know, you can also treat this as a training or course, but that's fine. But I generally prefer to put this as an initiative because my this initiative should result in making you good. Okay, that's the main intention. So other one is weekend initiative. Okay, we have two initiatives. One is weekday and other one is weekend. So weekday is for the people who are new to Selenium. or they are at the beginner level to Selenium. Okay. Or there may be some people who are not good with programming and all. Everything is okay. Not just Selenium, everything, including manual. Okay. Including manual, but we'll cover Selenium first, some basics of testing, then Selenium, then at the end, who are the people who really want this manual part also, we'll cover that separately for them. Okay. If they are really interested. Okay. So if they really need, we'll do that. Along with that, we do other lot of stuff like, guiding them. Okay. We'll be there as part of their journey. Okay. And we'll give kind of confidence that they can rock the interview and all. That's what we are aiming at, including we are also trying in the job front, like to get some, uh, job offers like openings and all those stuff. We are talking to different people and trying to get there also. Okay, so we are on the pro in that plan. Fine, we'll show some paths where you guys can go and attend some interviews and get placed somewhere here and there. Okay, that's another route that is going on. So this is a weekday initiative where you are complete beginner to either software testing and Selenium automation, doesn't matter, including programming, guys, Java programming if you don't know anything at all. Okay. So everything we are going to make you expert at the end of this videos or this initiative, you will become an expert in Selenium automation. Okay. So with lots of assignments, lot of doubts clearing thing, you may ask silly doubts, doesn't matter, guys. Okay. No matter how many times you ask, we'll be there for you. Okay. So that kind of approach we are following, down to earth, complete down to earth kind of approach we are taking to help the people in getting successful in whatever they are doing. Okay. So maybe some people are in, somewhere in between, like they learned it, but they are not getting confidence. Okay. They don't have any real time exposure to any project. They have not worked in Selenium automation project earlier. Different levels of people are there. So these two initiatives should help you out. Okay. So another initiative we have is a weekend initiative where we recently, this is going to be started this weekend, guys. Okay. Saturday, we are going to start this. This Saturday, we are going to start this. This is a live project. Okay. A side project. You can treat this as a side project, guys. Whether you have worked in your company on Selenium automation doesn't matter. Okay. Whether you have worked or not doesn't matter. Even though you don't have any experience or you have learned Selenium, but you have never worked on a project. Okay. For all those guys, here is a good news that live project series, an ongoing series is going to happen starting this Saturday. This weekend onwards, it will start, guys. Okay. So these all for the people, who already have some knowledge of Selenium. Okay. Who may have some knowledge of Selenium, but they have never worked on a live project. Okay. They don't know. And this is going to be very pretty serious, guys. We are going to automate a complete application. Okay. The intention is to automate a complete application. So there's a complete application, complete e-commerce application for which all the test cases are already created. What we are going to do is we are going to pick that particular test cases, each and every test case, and we are going to automate them live. And also challenges also will be there after the sessions and all, we go back and, try to automate another test case, it's not about just when you are attending trainings, but after the trainings also, you can keep working on this live project. That's what is the initiative we are going behind. So it's going to be very fun and interesting, guys. And you will get one experience. Okay, so at one level of experience you will already get. Like if you go to a company and say that have you worked on an automation project, you can proudly say that yes, I did a project. Okay, it's a side hustle project. I'm calling this as a side hustle project, whether you get an opportunity in your company or not, or whether you are a fresher new to this or whatever it is. Okay. I'm just naming it as a side hustle project. Okay. So no matter what, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, doesn't matter whether you get an opportunity to work on, this project will keep going on. Okay. And the opportunity starts if you want to be part of this side hustle project as soon as possible. This weekend, that is Saturday, we are going to start, guys. Okay. Fine. And weekday initiative is for the people who are kind of new and beginners or who are at, not so good at Selenium. Uh, and either you can join in this part or this part, doesn't matter, guys. Okay. You are a part of both the things. Whether you want to, if you are part of weekend initiative, this weekday initiative is kind of, free for you. Okay. If you are part of the weekday initiative, this weekend initiative is free for you. any of the channels you can join. Okay. And one more thing, once you join our batch, once you join our batch, you are eligible to join all our upcoming batches also any point of time. And we give you complete guidance throughout our, you know, throughout our running batches. Any day, any time you can join, and then you can ask your doubts any day. Okay. Full support from my side. So daily in the morning. So you may ask me like at what time these things are going on weekday and weekend initiatives. They are at like 7 a.m. IST, guys. Okay. 7 a.m. IST to 8:15 a.m. IST. Or I just extend this if required. If anyone have any doubts, right, I can extend this as much as time you want. But the major content explanation will happen from 7 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. And coming to this one, this is weekend initiative. So I have to take multiple sessions on weekend. So it may be 1 or 2 or 3 sessions with some breaks, it will happen. But the sessions will start at 7 a.m. IST, because in the evening hours on the weekends, I know that everyone will be, they want to enjoy the weekend and spend some time with the family in the evening hours. So I don't want to disturb the evening hours. So I thought of putting in the morning. So this will be beneficial for the people who want to attend these sessions, from other countries and all. Okay. So otherwise, it will be very difficult for them to stay in the night and all. So win-win situation for all of us, right? We can enjoy the weekend at same time. 7 a.m. IST onwards, the sessions will start so that we can wrap up and then we can enjoy our day. Enjoy our day. Okay. The people who are going with the weekday initiative, they get a lot of time on the weekends to practice, on the weekdays also to practice, whereas weekend initiative, they will get the entire week to get the things done. Okay. So we'll be working as a project or team. Okay. Whoever is joining me in this live project will be working as a team, and we'll be discussing all the challenges that we are facing while automating some test cases. That's the main plan, guys. It looks very live. Okay. As if you are working on a project. Okay. That's a weekend initiative. And weekday is all about training you guys and getting there. Okay. Making you guys go there. So fine, you can join anytime, guys. You see the batches keep going. Doesn't matter, because you can join anytime. You can, go through any number of batches. Doesn't matter. So now is the right time, guys. Okay. When starts, how start, doesn't matter. Whenever you are there, these are initiatives, guys. These are like having some start date, end dates. It's not like these are initiatives. Okay. What I mean to say is these are initiatives. These are not traditional courses that people teach you outside. Okay. So these are all initiatives. Okay. We will come up with a lot of other ideas also. At this moment, we feel these are good. Okay. Tomorrow, we'll try to solve other challenge for you. Okay. So that will be announced in the upcoming demo sessions or webinars, whatever I conduct on, uh, you know, every week basis. Yeah. So how to enroll? Let me go through some questions. People have pinged me here, so I didn't see that. Just give me a second. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fine, fine. Just give me a second. I'm just going through your chat. Okay. So both things you can do parallelly, guys. There's no issue. Okay. I'm just reading your chat. I'll just stop. Okay. So Ramya is asking me how to enroll. I'll give you one number, guys, in the same chat box, or otherwise, I'll give you one link of the Telegram group where you can join, guys. That's a better way, I feel. I'll also give you in the chat if you want. So here is the Telegram group. Here are the details. Okay. So this is a group link. You can join this Telegram. Okay. And you'll get all our updates. Okay. That's one thing. And so whom you need to contact, this is the one. Okay. For any queries and all, the Telegram description has that, but I'll try to paste it in the chat. If you're not part of the Telegram group, you can join here. I'm going to explain more, guys. Don't worry. I'm going to explain more about what we have done so far and all. Okay. Be with me. Fine. It's not just like I'm directly selling these things to you. So I'm just trying to express myself like I'm taking this as a service, guys, not as a normal general trainings that people do there. Okay. So service to help people, service, to make the training affordable. Maybe you guys have already seen my YouTube channel, QAFox YouTube channel, where I have provided everything for free. So then I thought like what I can provide more. So what I can do, something that cannot provide in the YouTube videos. I did everything that is required for you people, for you guys. Okay, if you go to my YouTube channel and if you want to learn manual selling, everything is there. But lack of support. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Yamuna, for the praising words. Okay. So I still feel that even after having so much of content online, there are some people who need personal assistance, everyday assistance, kind of, continuous support they need, some kind of, all the guidance they need, and some little bit help they need to, get forward, okay, just to move forward, okay. Because they may lose some confidence here and there. They don't have such a kind of confidence and all, okay. I want to make every one of the one who joins this initiatives kind of an expert, guys. That's the main intention, okay? And create some new path for you guys, okay? So and make yes, thank you, guys, okay? So duration doesn't matter, Upender. You can join anytime, okay? So duration, it can be expanded if lot of doubts are asked. Let's say in the training, if lots of doubts are being asked, I just give preference to the doubts. That's what I feel, okay? So I initially thought like, API also somewhere will cover, but not part of this now, but maybe in the coming initiatives. I told you, right? In the coming days, everything, you will be part of everything. Okay. So don't need to worry. When I take up that API module, you can join there. Okay. Thank you, Balu. So Java, I don't, you see, a lot of classes will be taken for Java because Java is very important for Selenium. Okay. Upender, you are asking me a question like, how much Java? I'll explain Java from ABCDs to the kind of level where you'll understand Java very easily, guys. I'll make it very easy for you guys. Okay, lot of interaction, right, makes that easy. So if I have done a lot of sessions so far, I feel very energetic, every day after that sessions, because not just because I am teaching you guys, because you guys are asking me a lot of questions during the session, and I'm able to answer that and able to help those people. So I feel a lot of happiness in them. Okay, so at the end of the sessions. That's what makes me motivated and all, okay, to take other sessions like that. Okay, I feel that. Okay, I honestly feel that. You see, there is a group we created already. This is the batch one, which is already going on. Okay, you can join this batch one, guys, and you are eligible for all the upcoming things also. So I'll just take you through how the things will be there. Okay, just small, for example, here. I'll take something. Yeah. So every day it will be like I will be sharing the notes at the end of the session, and whatever the code have demonstrated in that particular session, I'll be sharing that with you. You can access that. Then I will be giving you some assignments. Don't get daunted with these assignments because they are going to be very easy. If you are able to understand whatever the session I have taken, right, you'll be able to easily do the assignment. On the top of that, we have a separate WhatsApp group, community group, where people help each other. Okay, the students who are part of the group, per their request, we have created one WhatsApp group where they are helping each other like anything. That also I'm going to show you guys. Okay, some optional assignments also I'll give you. If you have time, you can do this. Otherwise, you can postpone. Uh, then lot of things, guys, lot of guidance, lot of assignments. You can see that, right, how we are doing that. It's not just a course, it's beyond training and all, where we want to get the real thing into this, okay, real energy into this. And also we'll share the recording also, okay, that only the people who join the training can access and all. Okay, if in case you miss any training, you can go through them and all. Okay, every day we'll do the same thing, guys. Okay, and lot of doubts clearing session during the training. That's one thing. And I told you about the WhatsApp group, right? I'll just take you to the WhatsApp group. So per the request of the students, we have created this where you guys can discuss within each other. Okay. So this is the one batch one discussion group. You see how people are discussing. You see how crazy it is, right? This many discussions. Have you ever seen such kind of people like helping each other? Okay. I feel very proud, like, when after the session, people come here and, discuss this many things. They clear all their doubts, any small problem. If other person is facing, the people are trying to help out here. Such a kind of beautiful community we have created so far. Okay. And I want everyone to be part of this. If you are really new to this and you are a beginner, I want you guys to join Weekday. Anyhow, weekend you will be automatically eligible if you are part of this. And if you're already good with Selenium automation and all, and if you want to be part of live project and uh, try to create this side hustle with me, you can also enroll here. Both the process is same, guys. Whether you enroll here or here doesn't matter. Both you are eligible. Okay. So eligible for other stuff and the upcoming batches too. Okay. So continuous support will be there, guys, from my side. Okay. So this is the thing, guys. This is the plan. So we are using Eclipse IDE for now. We are using Eclipse IDE because most of the people, like to learn Eclipse IDE. But if you can see my YouTube videos, one of the playlist on Selenium automation is there on IntelliJ. But still, I am taking on Eclipse IDE because that what people feel as easy and better. Okay. If I go directly with IntelliJ, people will get daunted sometimes. Okay. So I don't want to go there directly. Yeah, there is no start time for the batch, guys. You can join anytime. That's what I mean to say. You can join at any point of time. Now, Selenium module is going on. Okay, Selenium module is going on. At whatever point you want to join, you can join. And weekend initiative is starting, but weekday initiative has started. But currently, you know, the Selenium thing is going on. There are three modules we have divided our training into. One is Selenium module, one is manual testing module, other one is Java module. Three modules will be there. And apart from that, interview preparation, assistance, guidance, and all those stuff. Okay, and doubts clearing things. Yeah, everything you can. Krupal, you are asking me how to join the batch, and yes, yes, everything will be there. Krupal, test case preparation in detail, everything will be there. So you can join the batch anytime. Duration, I told you already, there is no duration, specific duration. This is an initiative, guys. It's not a course kind of stuff. It's an ongoing connection where till what time you want, you can be part of this. Okay. And get yourself updated. These are initiatives. Okay. So three modules will be there and they keep going on. Maybe we will add more modules into this. Like as people were asking me API, I may add API module at some point of time. Okay. You are eligible for that. Okay. One time register, lifelong learning. Okay, that's what is the thing. We are not going to start multiple batches like that. Okay, I mean multiple courses. Rather, just one time you subscribe with us, you're going to have a beautiful journey with us. Okay, that's what is the thing. So fees related stuff and all, it's going to be reasonable, guys. Okay, it's not going to be. I'm not going to reveal any fees here, but it's going to be very reasonable. Okay, so for that you have to contact Javed. Okay, so Javed is the one who you need to contact and these are his details. Okay, you just ping to Javed on this WhatsApp or whatever it is. Okay, WhatsApp or call him and then you can find out the details from him. Okay, I don't want to focus more on join. He will take care of the enrolling process and getting you joined into the initiatives. Okay, but don't worry, the fees is kind of very reasonable for everyone. Okay, you can check everything with Javed on the fees matters. But if you want to know anything, yeah, I have sent it already. Okay. I have pinged in the chat. You can see Javed for any queries. Okay. Hope you got it, Simran. I'll ping you again the details. Yeah. So otherwise, I'll just, do one thing. You can see my screen, right? So I'll just paste it here so you can take it from there. Can you see now? You can take a screenshot if you want. Is that fine, Simran? No? I think I need to paste like this. Now, can you see in the chat? Maybe I was pasting directly to the people. Okay. So now I think you can see now. Okay, great. And the Telegram group also earlier I pinged, but I don't know whether it has reached you or not. This Telegram group link also I'll just try to give you. So every day we'll have the same thing as it will keep on going. You see how much work we are doing every day. Okay. So a lot of guidance, lot of assistance, assignments, and everything are going on. Yeah. Yeah. Any other questions I'm getting? There's no new batch starting. This all it's an ongoing thing. Okay. It's an initiative. I'll be guiding you based on your situation and all. I'll be guiding you guys. Okay. You can join anytime and I'll take care of the remaining stuff. You don't have to face any problems. I'll just that's my promise, guys. Okay, join me anytime. You will get benefited. Okay. Yes, it is live training. Yamuna, it is live training. It's not pre-recorded videos. Everyday training. Every day, it's like initiative program. You can say otherwise. Okay, it's every day live training where I'll be connecting with you and then training you and guiding you. and clearing your doubts and all those stuff, giving you guidance and everything, just behind trainings. So anyhow, the what is the group? Here we have that Telegram group link. I'll just paste that here so that you guys can join the Telegram group. If anyone is not part of this Telegram group, I want you to join. Yeah, we have other lot of stuff going on in this
Sir,
Telegram.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, tell me the future of software testing. Some people are telling that there is no future for software
No, no,
testing.
no, not like that. You see, why people are saying like that is, at this moment, the market is not good. Okay, even development is also in a stake at a stake, right? Not just software testing, everything is at stake. So once we get the projects and all, things will be all good. Okay, most probably we are expecting the market to recover by April, and most probably more jobs will be there in the second quarter, June. Okay, so I talked to a lot of CEOs and all those stuff. They are still recruiting guys. Okay, recently I talked to TCS, one of the head of TCS, and he was saying the same thing. Now till now there was some hiring freeze was there. Now it's open. Okay, they are slowly started taking the people into their company. Okay, so like that I kept in touch with a lot of CEOs and all, and I keep tracking the market. You can see that global inflation woes are also going off, but they need some time. Maybe people are expecting that to happen by May. Okay. Recent also you can see that I also follow the market guys because I'm good at finance stuff also. So inflation is coming down in US. That's a good news for us, but not that to level where jobs can be created right away. Maybe still more time is required, but positive signs are happening. That's what I can say. But I
Sir,
cannot 100% predict the market, but what I can see now is like inflation is going down. Okay, that I can see, that is a positive sign. And if the inflation goes down, people start spending there, and people start taking loans. Businesses will start running. Supply chain will go on, and because of all those stuff, new projects will be created, new employment will be created, outsourcing will happen more of, okay, more than what we are doing now. Okay.
actually, sir, nowadays companies are expecting like a UI testing plus API testing.
Yes, yes, that's now a norm, right? You see, earlier there was only manual. When I was, you know, I'm from 2007 background. Okay, 2007 I started my journey in software testing field. I have 12 years of experience. Last 4 to 5 years, I'm completely into this training part. Anyhow, so I worked on all the projects and all. So initially, there used to be only manual part. Automation engineers were very less, few people used to be there. Tools used to be only few tools like UFT tool used to be there. But later, what happened was once Selenium came into the market, things got changed where people were expecting both manual and automation together. Okay, so and then later came API part. Okay, then came API part. So now in the current situations, we need to be good with a lot of things. Okay, the basic ones that we need to be good with are manual plus automation plus API. Okay, these three things. If you are able to conquer Selenium Java automation, you can do anything, guys. There is nothing. You see, only one programming language you have to master. That is Java. You can go anywhere. Just go with REST assured framework. What will be there? Java will be there in that. No other complexity, right? Mobile automation, you go. Appium tool is there. What is there in that? Java code is there. Just it a
Sir,
matter of just 1 week of time you can just learn, and you can switch there. Okay, it's not a big deal, guys. Okay, all
sir,
those stuff.
actually,
Yeah.
I have learned .NET. So due to the heavy coding and due to heavy logical thinking and business logic, so I resigned the job. So
Oh, okay.
I want to move past software testing. So due to
Hmm.
less amount of code compared to
Yeah,
.NET
I
C
have
sharp.
seen a lot of people like this. As you're talking, right? I have seen that. Okay, a lot of people, coming from development side to the testing side. That's okay. That's okay, and you will have bright future here. I've seen that. Okay, I've seen that happening with a lot of people already.
So compared to the Java and C sharp, like software development, there
Hmm.
that coding will be less
Yeah, definitely it will be less. You
in
see here,
automation.
it's not about you are not developing any application basically. The logic part will be there, but you don't have to use extensive logic here, okay? If you are good with logic, that will help you out, okay? In creating better frameworks and all, but that much of expertise may not be required in automation part. If you have that, it is an added advantage, okay?
So
That's how it works.
if we
And
have
also nowadays we have roles like SJET, right? Software developer engineering test. Okay, you are not just tester, right? You can also do development activities, like small development activities, like fixing something, and that you can do. It's a mix nowadays, guys. Okay, it's not things have changed a lot. Okay, so whoever want to go in what direction they can go now. There's no restriction like you have to be specific only to manual part, only automation. But it's not like that. You have different roles. We have security, we have performance. Many things are going on.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I don't want to term this courses as courses. Rather, I am going to treat them as initiatives. Where I'm going to keep a lot. Okay, based on your personalities and different students come in, right? I would like to help everyone to move in a particular direction where it will be helpful for everyone. Okay, that's what is the main intention.
Sir, is that also testing role, no, sir?
Yes, yes. SDET software developer engineering test where the main part is QA, testing part is the main thing, and maybe 15, 20 or 25% will be development.
Means by taking
You
AI
can do
tool.
both, but more focused you will be on QA part.
So means the people are telling that, see, if you in future also testers only will fix the bug by taking the help of AI
Yeah, there
application.
are different things in different companies. Not you see, big companies follow some procedures, small companies will follow some procedures, mid-sized company will follow some procedures, right? You see, everything is going on, but it all depends on what you want. Okay, where you want to be. So what type of role you want. Whether you want to be an SDET, you can go there. Whether you want to be a specialized automation personnel, you can go there. Whether you want, I don't recommend manual only these days because only manual you'll stop somewhere. Okay, but automation is really required these days, guys. Okay, so there's no other excuse. Okay, so on the top of that, you can be jack of all trades where on top of the security, performance, everything you can learn. As your experience goes, you can skill up, right?
But I thought that SDAT is also a development role. I think
No, no,
software
it's not a
development.
development role. It is a software testing role where the testers are, also eligible for performing some development activities, but not entire development activities, but few. It depends on companies where they want to, remove that gap between the developers and testers, and they will make everyone SDET also. There may be some companies like that, but majorly SDET is all about, majorly into testing, tester mindset with the development capabilities. That's what is SDET, in my opinion. Okay. There's no limit for how much you learn as part of development. That's up to you. You can, if you are very much interested in development, you can increase that portion in your, okay. The testing mindset will still be there, but development interest will go on. Okay. You can upskill yourself in development aspects. That's what. It's up to the individual personality to till where they want to go. Okay. There is no limit or no stop for anyone. Okay. In any direction. Okay. So, are your questions clear?
So coming to this packages
Hmm.
in automation part.
Okay. Yeah,
So
coming to
coming
automation, you see, manual, your job is at stake nowadays. You see, only manual means, you will not be able to grow. At some point of time, you will stop no matter how much knowledge you have. People say that, okay, we can survive in manual and, you have a lot of domain knowledge and all. But at some point of time, you will become replaceable. When you become replaceable, people and your salary increases, you don't upskill yourself. Definitely, manual testing will stop somewhere, and that the package and all doesn't matter. Okay, if you don't upskill yourself. Okay, and second part is like okay, so coming to automation, it's compulsory, guys. Okay, it's automation, AP, everything is compulsory. In general, talking about the people who are good with good skills nowadays with this the manual automation API, right? What they get is like, I cannot give a big picture and all, but if you have 3 years of experience, you can expect 5 to 7 lakhs package kind of. Okay. And because the market is not good, maybe if the market booms up, things numbers will change again. Fine. So if you have any number, like what experience you want to tell me, like packages, kind of stuff. If you have any number, you can tell me. I can give you the package, like how much they can in. And if you go to for security part, it will be 1.5x times the automation part. Okay. So that much demand is there in security part.
so for 3 years experience.
Yes, for 3 years experience, I told you, right? For automation, manual automation and basic stuff, API and all, you will get 5 to 7 lakhs. That's the package. Minimum five, you can, you know. So if you are in a good package, if you say five is a minimum thing for 3 years of experience, and you can go till seven also. It depends.
Sir, as part of your course, you will cover this Jenkins, also GitHub,
Yes,
how
yes.
to
Jenkins,
CI/CD.
GitHub, all the CI/CD pipeline stuff, everything will be covered for you, and that too with a real-time fee. What happens in
So
real time, I'm going to cover. Okay.
you'll cover any real-time projects, sir?
Yes, that's what I told you, right? Two initiatives here. One initiative
Okay.
is weekday where training will go on. Other initiative is weekend initiative where live project we keep working on.
Okay.
It's this is starting now, so I don't want you guys to wait anymore. Okay, enroll any of these things. Anyhow, you'll be part of both, right? So this weekend, before this weekend, if you try to enroll, right, that will be good for you guys. Okay, otherwise, this live project will start and later. Okay, later you may miss some sessions and all. Okay, so it's better if anyone want to join now. That is the right time. That's why we thought of putting this kind of demo session and get people educated and tell them what's going on so that they can join right away without
Sure,
missing.
sir.
API, how many days you will cover, sir? API, Selenium, API, Postman, Rest Assured, and
Yeah, first
Selenium.
of all, I'm not confronting to that I'm going to cover API right now. Okay. But as part of the initiative in the upcoming days, that will be part of. Okay. But at this moment, I don't want to go there. Okay. So for now, what I can do is like a lot of people will fall into this manual Selenium Java and this live project bucket, right? That will take care first. Once this complete process is done for all the people who are joining now and who are the people who are already there, right? Once that party is done, then we'll move on to the other initiatives. Okay, at that time we can discuss.
Sir,
Hello,
You
sir.
will cover
sir,
manual
sir,
testing
Selenium with
application first, sir?
Python.
Manual
One
testing
by
and then
one, one by one. Sorry.
you will
Okay,
cover
one.
manual testing first and then automation, or so
No,
directly
no, no.
Java and
Manual testing will not be covered first because there may be some people who will come to this batch. Uh, Already they are good with manual part, so they directly want Selenium. So what I do is like I give some basics of software testing for them. Okay, basics of software testing that are required to get started with Selenium. Once the Selenium thing is done, then we'll go for manual separately for them in depth.
Nowadays, they're asking for Selenium with Python, right? So, which one is good?
Selenium with
Java.
Python, most of the people will fall into Java again. It's not
Okay.
like, both are good. I know that Java is good, Python is good, C
Mm-hmm.
Sharp is also good, in fact. Okay. So different,
Okay.
but what I can say you is that once you master Selenium automation in one programming language like Java, if you master, I
Okay.
always recommend people to start with Java, their journey with Java. Okay. Whenever they are
Okay.
learning Selenium, I would recommend everyone to start with Java because the kind of knowledge you get in Java, you will not get in Selenium, Python, etc. Okay. So next
Okay.
level, it doesn't take much time. Literally, it doesn't
Oh,
take
to
much.
learn the Python? Okay.
Yes, yes, it's a 1 week of time. Okay.
Okay.
I have taught, I'm the corporate, I have worked as a corporate trainer for, SCL and Capgemini, right? Sometimes I used
Okay.
to get batch on Selenium Java. Sometimes I used to get a batch on Selenium Python. Sometimes I used to get a batch on Selenium C Sharp.
Mm-hmm.
It's a like very like it's a kind of thing for me. Like just 3 days, 3 days to 7 days, just to preparation. That's it. I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay. Even now
Got
I
it.
forgot. You see, I'm now in Selenium Java, focused on. Now I forgot Python. Okay, but it doesn't
Okay.
take much time. If I want to revise, right, just revise and go there. So in the industry also we should be like that because we don't know in which project we'll be working and there Selenium Java
Mm-hmm.
will be there, Selenium Python will be there, Selenium C Sharp will be there. It doesn't know, right?
Okay.
But we should be ready for that
Yeah.
switch. Okay, that's the main intention. Okay.
Yeah.
Once
Yeah. I
you
see your jobs on Python.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that's why,
So
yeah.
I will guide you there. Don't worry, I'll
Okay.
guide you there. Okay. So even though I teach you everything on Selenium Java, you'll master that. You'll become an
Mm-hmm.
expert. And after you become an expert, it doesn't take much time. I'll guide you how to do
Yeah,
it.
I'm
Okay.
watching your video since last week, and it's
Great,
like
great.
I feel knowledgeable, and so
Yes,
that's why I
yes.
joined. Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah.
thank you,
I
thank you
already
very much.
attended the training, but yeah, I'm more lot more confident in what you teach. So
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah.
I understand that. That's the pain point, right? That I want to solve
Mhm.
it here. Okay. So
Okay,
by
thank you.
being there in person and assisting you and helping you guys on an everyday basis and taking things forward and whatever the challenges you are facing, solving that is the main intention of this. Okay, these things that
Okay,
I'm
thank
taking
you.
care of. That's the main
Okay,
thing.
thank you so much for that.
Yeah.
Sir, this career
Hello, sir.
gap. So this career gap and also career gap.
Javed is the one who can help you out, like what to do and all in that area. Okay, whatever you are asking, right? The career gap and all, how to figure it out and all. Javed will help you out there. Okay, you
Hello,
can
sir.
talk to Javed once, and he'll clear your doubts regarding
Hello,
the
sir.
career gap, what to do and all. Okay, yeah.
Sir, weekly initiative is already started, I think.
I,
So
I didn't get that. I didn't get that.
weekly initiative is already started.
Weekly, weekend
Weekly
or weekday?
weekdays, sir.
Weekday is going
Uh,
on. Selenium
yes,
module
sir.
is now. We are in the beginning
If
of the Selenium module. Okay.
if he join in the middle,
No, no
does it
problem. I'll
impact?
take care of that. I'll take care of what challenges and all. I'll take care of that. Okay. Let's not
Okay.
wait for the next batch because these are initiatives, right? You'll miss the things. Okay. So I recommend you guys to join anytime. There's no problem. Okay. I'll take care
Okay, sir.
of because I'll be there with you, and any challenges are there. It doesn't matter much. Okay. So any challenges are there, I'll be there on a daily basis. I'll connect with you, and I'll just resolve the things for all the people who are facing anything. Okay. It doesn't matter much. Okay. So
Okay,
just
sir.
keep a trust on me. I'll take care of that. Okay. I give you my word. Okay. We'll be there.
Okay, sir.
Any batch for weekend batch?
Yeah, weekend.
Yes, sir. Weekend batch, like we cannot join weekdays. So is there any batch for weekend also?
No, no, no. There is no separate batch. You see, weekdays we are doing trainings, and weekends we are doing live project, side hustle project as an initiative. You got the point, right? So two initiatives are going on. One is weekday initiative, weekend initiative, other one. Any of the ones you join, you are eligible for both. You are eligible for both, guys. Okay?
Evening batches.
No evening
Evening
batches.
are,
No, no, no. We are not taking any evening batches. We want to fully focus on one batch and make them
full
good.
time
Okay?
this time.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, anyone talking there anywhere? You can mute yourself, guys. Okay, fine. Any other questions, guys? Any other doubts, questions? I didn't answer. Just let me know.
Is this
Yes, sir.
course helpful for Salesforce domain?
Which demand?
Salesforce.
No, no, no. Salesforce is a different stuff again. Okay, Salesforce automation is completely different. Okay, so this won't help, but if you don't have any knowledge on automation, definitely it's going to help at some point of time. Okay,
Okay.
if you don't have much knowledge, this course is going to definitely help you
As currently
in
I'm
terms
working
of
as a
it.
manual tester in finance domain.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to learn automation and I want to change my manual testing domain. So
Okay, you want to
it
move
would be
from
very,
manual to automation. Simple words, right?
yes, yes.
Then you can get started here. You see Salesforce, you see Selenium will not support Salesforce. For Salesforce, there are some other tools I mean to say. But your learning of Selenium automation will definitely help you in, that using the tools and all. That won't be that much problem. Okay. You will get a gist of automation by learning from here. And only the thing is that Selenium has some limitations where it cannot automate the Salesforce application well. Okay. So we have to use a separate tool for Salesforce. But I can say
Actually,
that
my brother is working in Salesforce. If I learn automation, I'll get a job more quickly. That's why,
yes, definitely. That's for sure. These days, it's mandatory. It's not about job getting quickly. It's a minimum thing nowadays. Like, having manual Selenium automation and APIs, minimum stuff. Okay, minimum thing.
okay.
Okay, so it's mandatory. I mean to say, it's
You'll
not about.
guide me, right?
I'll guide you. I'll
Once I
guide you.
join.
Yeah, I'll guide you. We'll be there. We'll be there. My team will be there. I'll be there on a daily basis. You can connect. You can talk to me, and we can discuss all the stuff. Okay, challenges and all. I'll be there to
No
guide everyone.
problem.
Srija, Appium is
Okay.
not
Thank you.
covered at this moment. Appium, we have not decided as part of this initiative, but in the coming days, if we start the Appium module, you feel free to join that without paying anything. Okay. Upcoming, we'll add few more modules. For now, two modules are going on. One is manual plus Selenium Java training module. Other one is weekend live project on Selenium automation module on a real application side hustle project. Apart from that, we'll add few more initiatives in the coming days. Okay, and we'll make it more affordable for the people. So in the coming days, when API gets added as a module, or APM gets added, or REST assured frameworks get added, you will be part of that without paying any other amount. Okay, by default, you will be part of that. You can attend the sessions without anything.
So core Java is enough, or we need to learn advanced Java also?
Not required. Advanced Java is not required. Only logical programming from Java, that is core Java part, is enough for Selenium automation. For advanced Java is required for the developers to develop the applications. But coming to Selenium automation and whatever the rest assured or APM and etc., core Java is enough for software testers. Yeah, APM also will be covered in this session. I told you already. And Prasanna is asking me a question: as a fresher, manual with automation, test engine enough, or which tool should be learned? Yeah, manual and automation will be enough. Okay, as a fresher, manual and automation will be enough. Okay, Selenium tool is better. People, because most of the interviews they'll ask you questions on core Java and programming part they'll ask you, and other part is like Selenium automation they'll ask you. Yeah, fine. Welcome, Prasanna. Okay.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Can you compare with JavaScript, Cypress? Currently, I'm working. You say Cypress is another tool where, instead of Java, they will be using JavaScript. Okay. TypeScript, JavaScript, a lot of things are there. Okay. So it's just a different tool, but I'm not covering Cypress in my initiatives at this moment. But in the coming days, we don't know what modules will get added. But once you join, these things will keep going on. Initiative will keep going on, and I'll teach you on a lot of stuff. Will you teach CI/CD too? Yes, CI/CD I'll teach. Yes, Jenkins, Git, GitHub, everything, real-time aspects, everything will be taught to you in detail. Okay, Amna?
Sir, hi, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
hi.
sir, in the nowadays, a lot of companies are asking to Java and Selenium both. I mean, like any other tool, like API and DBA. Is there mandatory
Uh,
are required for?
I didn't get that. Come again. Come again with that question.
No, sir. Nowadays, a lot of companies are asking to Java with the Selenium and another additional tools are like API or
API or
DBA testing, sir, like database testing.
database testing. Okay. Fine,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Is-
Hmm.
Which one is good, sir, like compared to API and DBA?
You see, minimum things are manual, then Selenium Java
Okay.
automation, then on the top
Okay,
of
sir.
that API, then on the top
Okay, sir.
of that mobile testing. You see, you have to be an all-rounder basically. Okay,
Okay,
fine. You have
okay,
to be
sir.
an
But
all-rounder.
yeah, but in experience level, which tool is additionally
Not
requiring, sir?
compulsory that you have to have database testing as a knowledge. It's not compulsory for a software tester. Maybe there in that company there is a requirement for them that database testing knowledge should be there, but it's not compulsory.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Is in experience level Java and Selenium is fine, sir. Enough.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Manual Java, Selenium Java automation and API testing knowledge is enough to get started. On
okay,
the top of that, you add as many you want. You want to add security, you want to add different tools, you can add. Okay. Like Cypress, Tosca, many things are there nowadays. Okay.
So
So
sir. You have
anything
covered.
can.
Yeah, okay, sir. You have covered any like API testing in coming days?
At this moment, I have not decided, but if many people are asking that, definitely I'll cover that. Okay. I would like to
Yeah,
also cover security also in the coming days. Okay. Security
sir,
module,
sir,
API module, like that,
please
different
cover
modules.
please cover this API Postman and REST assured, sir. These two topics.
Yeah, we'll see at the end, but this initiative has
No,
recently
no, in,
started, right?
in future, sir. So because
Yeah, definitely, I'll definitely
lot
start.
of companies are asking REST assured.
Sure. I'll take care. I'll take care of that. No problems. In the coming days, we'll definitely add once this thing is done, right? Once one round is done, we'll go with that. Okay, we'll add some more initiatives and get that done somewhere. Okay, no need to worry much.
Sir, when can we expect calls, sir? Calls, job calls.
I told you, right? Now inflation woes are going down in US. If US economy gets better, definitely our job market will rise. So slowly I started hearing from people like, the job freeze thing, whatever that they have done so far from the last few months, it was very difficult for everyone, right? Completely halted. Okay. So that is just loosening up, where some openings have already started in different companies, but not much as per our expectations. But our projections are that by the month of April or May, there is a high possibility that market will open up completely. Okay, lot of job opportunities may be there. Okay, that is a high level projection, because positive signs are coming from the US in terms of inflation getting down and all those stuff. Okay, but still, no one can predict the market, right? If everyone predicts, it won't be so much easier. Okay, so for now, our prediction is for the next 6 months, where April, May, there is a high possibility of the more jobs. Okay. By the time we can upskill ourselves and be ready for the jobs.
Hello, sir. Sir, my question is in this Selenium course,
Hmm.
are we covering in there are many framework in like
Yes, we are covering
TestNG
the
frame.
frameworks and not just covering the frameworks in these sessions. I'll help you guys in building a framework. Okay. It's not just explaining a framework. It's just building a framework by ourselves. How to get a confidence of building a framework. I'll make you guys good at creating or building frameworks. Okay. And that too, all the popular frameworks that are there in the market, you will be able to build by yourself.
Popular framework like TestNG nowadays it is using.
TestNG is not a framework; it is a unit testing framework, and it plays a role in building a framework. Okay, so TestNG with page object model, page factory, and all those stuff is one kind, and other kind is like Cucumber BDD with JUnit and JUnit and page object model, page factory. That is another kind. Okay, so like that, multiple frameworks are there, and we are going to see into that in detail. Okay.
Which are these primary framework like mostly
Both
used?
are used in the market. You see, I have worked on different projects earlier, where in some projects there was TestNG page object model page factory use, and other projects there was BDD Cucumber also being used. These are the two popular. It depends on the project that you are working. Both the frameworks are very good. Yes, this batch is Rupal is asking me, this batch is different from yours. Yes, definitely. That's what I'm telling you, right? In the courses are very good. In YouTube, I covered a lot. Okay, you can also learn from there. But if you need some extra assistance from me, and day by day some assignments, interaction and guidance, support, whatever you call initiatives, like weekend initiatives, like live project initiatives. If you want to be part of that, then join the sessions. Okay. If you're good with YouTube courses, still you are good to go. No problem. Okay. If you need some extra confidence and that you really need at this moment, then you can join the trainings or any of these initiatives. Both initiatives you will be eligible when you join one of the initiatives, as I told you already. Any other doubts, questions, guys? Hope I answered a lot of questions.
So for automation testers, we need to know basics of DevOps or entire DevOps.
For automation testers,
So we need to know basics of DevOps or entire DevOps.
anything basics only. You see, people talk about AI, ML, all those stuff. Okay. So nothing, we generally don't do that, right? We need the basic knowledge. That's it. We have to have the knowledge. That's it. You don't have to know beyond that. Okay. So you don't have to crack the entire thing. Okay. Complete DevOps course, you don't have to do. Whatever that is required from DevOps for testing purpose or automation purpose, that you need to know. Not more than that.
So
Okay.
in future, AI will be additional support for testing, sir. Or
Okay. You see, earlier when automation came, people started talking about, automation will replace manual testers. But did that happen? No, right? It didn't happen, right? It didn't happen. So what happened was we are doing both manual and automation. Now AI came. There's another thing that is helping us in, saving more time. So we'll take the leverage of AI, and top of that, we'll going to work and, do a better testing thing. That's it. Got it? So Mahesh is asking me the duration of this course is 45 days. Uh, officially speaking, it's 45 days, but it will go till 60, guys. Okay. To be frank, it will be 60 minimum. 60 working days. Okay, because a lot of doubts, I generally give preference to doubts clearing. Okay, so I give a lot of time for the people. Okay, on a daily basis. So that is very important than covering the topics and covering the sessions and all. Okay, so more doubts I clear, more confident the people will become. Okay, that's the main intention
The
of the training.
batch already started, sir. It is
It's
going.
going on. Selenium module has started now. Okay, and Selenium live project is also starting now. Okay, so it's the right time for you guys to jump in. And if any difficulties, I am there already. Okay, to help you out wherever you're lacking. I'll be there. Okay.
How much course is completed 7 a.m. batch?
Selenium module, if you talk about, I can consider that as 2 or 3 sessions. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
2 or 3 sessions.
Core Java?
Core Java, no, it's like a module. It will be repeated again. Okay, when the time comes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. No need to worry that. That's what I'm saying. You can join anytime, and you have my assurance. I'll take care of you. Okay. In whatever.
So weekend live project. I mean, how many hours you conduct? Actually?
So it depends. It's the first time, right? So what we are planning is we are planning for minimum of 2 sessions on Saturday and 2 sessions on Sunday. Minimum. It can go up to 3 also. Maximum 3 with
Okay.
some breaks. With some breaks.
So project is like connected with any cloud services and triggering to CI/CD pipeline like that you are explain or up to only CI/CD pipeline.
No, 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 not cloud services. That's not the case. But here it's a project in the sense, it's all about, we'll be automating the test cases. Real application will automate end to
I
end.
mean deployment process. How we
So
are deploying.
normal CI/CD will take care. Will not go behind that. Okay. Cloud DevOps. That area will not cover for now. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe we'll
And
we'll plan that in the coming days, but not now. Okay.
okay. REST Assured API. Is there
Rest
any?
assured API, it's not part of this as part of the initiatives right now, but tomorrow will start means you can freely join. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. So at some point of time, we'll decide another initiative, right? Based on the priorities and how many people are asking based on that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Yes, real time things only. Balu, you're right. Project sessions, live project things is based on real time things. Correct. Complete test cases, end to end test cases of an application we are going to automate together. Okay. That's correct.
Day-to-day classes, I mean, you are providing any materials like logical programming things, different interview questions like that, or only
Yes,
running
yes.
notes?
Everything will be there. Everything will be there. Right. Correct. It's not just about training and done for the session. It's not like that. It's guidance. Assignments will be there that you can easily do, and
Yeah, I mean, mostly in
interview
Java, I
support
mean,
will be there.
they are
Hmm.
asking like, I mean, Fibonacci number or I mean,
Yeah, a
primes,
lot of things.
something.
Yeah, I can guide you over there. No problem. You can join and then we can discuss further on this. Okay, what the area that you are talking, right? We can explore that. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, fine. Every direction will be taken care, guys. Okay, no need to worry much. Interview part, okay, some job help part, all directions we are taking care, and we will, go to the next level for sure than what we are currently doing because we want to do this as a service, not just as a simple taking trainings and it's not a business for us. It's just on top of business. It's just more of service oriented that we are trying to do and trying to help more as many people as possible. That's what is the thing. Is it possible for you to share sample couple of videos? I don't think like you need that. But if you really need, you can ask Javid once. Okay, you can ping Javid and and from Javid you can get it out. Okay, I'm getting a question in the chat like, can you share some first and second class videos? Okay, I Javid will help you out. Okay, at any point of time you don't like my sessions, you can leave, guys. No problem. Okay, we'll refund you the money. No problem. That also I'm giving an assurance. Okay, you can join, you can pay and join. If you don't like in the first few days, if you don't like, you can just leave. No problem. Javed, how to connect? This is a Telegram group. Okay, and I'll give you the details of Javed. Give me a second. I already pasted in the chat earlier, but maybe you missed it. Again, I'll ping you. Yeah. Hope you got the details of Javed. Yeah, any other questions, guys? I don't think so. We planned a live project series, right? So it's like it's a beginning stage. I will be there. Muhammad Shahid, just join the sessions. You will understand. Okay, how I'll take care of the stuff. Okay.
Sir, daily I cannot join and I also don't have laptop. So that is why
Oh,
I thought like weekend I will go my friend home and practice.
okay, okay. Weekly, I think that's the problem because only batch we want to focus in a proper way. That's the only intention. Okay, we don't want to take multiple batches and dilute the quality of the batch. Okay. That's the reason we are not doing weekend. Only one batch. Even evening batch also we are not thinking. Why? Because I don't want to take multiple batches and dilute the quality of the batches. Okay. Only one batch I'll take, that too with very good quality and with very good energy we can take. That's the only intention we are taking one batch. Yeah, Avinash, you can contact Javed if you want to join this Selenium course. You can contact Javed. I posted the chat posted in the again. I am posting. You can take it from there. The details of Javed, and you can join the Telegram group also if you want. Okay. Yeah, I will be the instructor. Rajita, I will be the instructor. Okay. Yeah, you can join from USA as usual. The way you join today, the same way you can join alum. Okay, from USA you can join. No problem. You just connect with Javed alum. Okay. I pasted the details in the in the chat. You can take the details. If not, you can take a screenshot here, guys. Okay, people. Okay, these are the details of Javed. Okay, great. You can take a screenshot of this if you guys want anything. Javed will help you out in registering in the sessions and all. Okay, you will take it. How many days total course? I told you already. The officially we are saying 45, but it will take up to 60 depending on the doubts clarification. Okay, so we give a lot of importance for clearing the doubts. That's the main intention. Otherwise, we can wrap it up, but we don't do that. We put our complete heart into the training program. Okay, basically I am the one who is the instructor. Okay, Rajita, and great. Any other questions? Keep asking me, guys, in the chat box, or you can speak up in the mic. No problem. I'll be able to answer. I'll be there to answer you. Any doubts you can ask me. But if you want to join, you just need to contact Javed. Okay, he is the one who will take care of. And you can join our Telegram group also. Okay, so you'll get all our updates. A lot of webinars we are conducting for free. Okay, these days you can join webinars also. The notifications for webinars will be done in this Telegram group. So I want people to join this Telegram group if they want to, really want to. Okay. Sure. I'll upload that, but it will take some time. Okay. So today's session will be uploaded on YouTube, but mostly I'll try to upload. Okay. By tomorrow, I'll try to upload. Let's see. Just join the Telegram group. I'll provide the link. Okay. So once I upload, I'll just you join this Telegram group. I'll just provide the link once I upload it. Okay. I'll upload SUD. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions on this? Any of these initiatives, that is weekday initiative and weekend initiatives, trainings and all? Okay. So good, guys. That's all from my end. If you don't have any questions, we can wind it up. Okay. And if you have any, okay. Yes, you will get every recording you will get, guys. Okay, every recording of weekday initiatives, weekend initiative, everything you will get. Okay, whether you're part of weekday or weekend, both the initiative recordings you will get. Okay, even though you miss, also you'll get it. No problem. Right. Yeah, great, great. Lot of good questions being asked. I think I hope I have cleared all your doubts in today's session. Yes, yes. Join one of the initiative, you are part of another initiative for sure. Okay. Yes, Rajita, you are right. Just be part of one of the initiative. Either you are a beginner or you are already good with Selenium. Just join one of the initiative. You will be getting both the recordings, both the things also you can attend, and you're eligible for everything going ahead. Okay, that's what I mean to say. Great. Welcome, Rajita. Upender, check with Javed. Okay, Javed is a point of contact for sales and all. Okay, I'm not into that part. Just check with Javed once. Upender, you just check with Javed once. Yeah, welcome, Upender. Yeah, any other questions, guys? Yeah, thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Rajita. Good to have you in today's session. Yeah, thank you, Balu. Thank you, Balu. Welcome. So that's all from my end, guys. I'm just winding up this session. I think we can leave for now. Okay. See you in the sessions, guys. Okay. Whoever is interested, just contact Javed here and join the sessions, and I'll take from there. Okay. See you there. Bye bye. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Welcome, everyone. Bye. Good to have you. Bye.